name is Aleš Ponek. I'm from Canada. I'm 70 years old, and on May 4th, I summited Island Peak. Trekking guide was helping me all the way up to base camp and even high camp, and also the climbing guide, climbing Sherpa, he was super. He helped me all the way up to the summit. When there was other groups of the people, he helped me out, so we basically passed them and we were first ones that day on the summit. Lodges on the way were good, food excellent, so I can say nothing wrong about this. Yeah, I can recommend Monte Rosa 100% to anybody for any expedition.
Anyone interested Mount Island Peak expedition and mountaineering can contact us via email or phone us to book it. And we are waiting for you to join us for such unforgettable expedition and mountaineering. Atithi Devo Bhava. Guest is God.